Warrant Officer Steyn.
Colonel Steyn.
Colonel Steyn.
Yes.
Wat het taal verkies u om te praat?
Ik spreek Afrikaans, maar sal ek ons doen?
Ja.
Nee, no, my lord, it's
Ek is
fine.
baie matig in Afrikaans.
Ja, goed.
Ek het 3 kursusse in Afrikaans geleer by universiteit.
Oh, okay, dit is mooi. Nee.
Ja. Okay, so the witness in.
Hello. Do you have any objection in taking a prescribed oath?
No.
Would you consider the oath binding to your conscience?
Yes.
Do you swear that the evidence you are about to give will be the truth,
That's correct.
the whole truth and nothing else but the truth?
That's correct.
If so, raise up your right hand and say, so help me God.
So help me God.
Oath taken, my lord.
Thank you.
Colonel Steyn, you have compiled 2 reports that serve as Exhibit O in brackets 1 and O in brackets 2. Do you confirm that?
Yes. I just want to start this thing, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Ngisacela nje ukuthi ninginikeze ithuba ukuthi ngivule le laptop.
Sorry, my lord, it's
Yeah.
not my laptop.
Sorry, my lord, we tested it before we resumed and everything was working. Oh, there it is. My lord, as we indicated at the beginning, the sequence of calling the witness is not as how we'd have preferred it. It just depends on the availability of the witnesses. Yes. Right, Colonel, you can refer to Exhibit O in brackets 1 in giving your evidence. My lord, it's paragraph 1 of Exhibit O in brackets 1. Can the witness be seated?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes, you may proceed.
I'm a colonel in the SA Police Service with service number 0403-6182. I'm in the service of the state. I'm attached to the National Cold Case Unit, Investigation Unit, based in Pretoria National Head Office.
Kanti-ke uyasho ke lana uyaqinisekisa ungubani ungukhenel kanti-ke nayi inombolo yakhe ayisebenzisayo yesiphoyisa 0403-6182 uthi ungukhenel khona laphana-ke esiphoyiseni salana-ke eMzansi kanti-ke usebenzela umbuso usebenzela i-National Cold Case lapho-ke kuyingxenye yesiphoyisa-ke okuyiyona-ke Kenya amacala khona la ePretoria e-National Head Office kanti usebenza njengomuntu-ke ocwaningayo laphana futhi-ke uyena-ke oKenya amacala.
Where I acted as an analyst and an investigation officer.
kanti-ke njengoba sekeshilo-ke sengifundele khona-ke iyaqwaninga nje khona laphana kanti-ke uphenye namacala futhi.
Now, in total, sorry, Colonel, if you may interrupt, in total, how many years service do you have in the South African police?
41 years.
Ukuthi ngineminyaka ewu-41 ngisebenzela-ke isiphoyisa.
And since when have you been a commissioned officer?
Since 1986.
Ukuthi-ke ngisebenze njengephoyisa-ke elisemthethweni okanye ngokomthetho ukusuka ngalowo nyaka 1986.
And when did you become a colonel?
About 2 years ago.
Ngacela ukuba ukhenele-ke eminyakeni ewu-2 edlule.
Yes, you may proceed to paragraph 2.
I've been attached to my current position since 2021, but before that, I was working with the Priority Crime Management Center, that is the TPCI, the Hawks in Germiston, the provincial office.
Ukuthi-ke ngibe yingxenye-ke yale phiko kusuka okanye ngathola leyo position kusuka ngo-2021 or 2021. Kanti phambi kwalokho-ke ngangisebenzela i-Priority Crime Management Center. You said it is in Germiston.
That's correct.
As a Germiston.
Since 2002, as an analyst.
Ukusuka 2009.
2009.
Ukusuka ngo-2009 nje ngomntwaneni-ke.
Up to date, I have analyzed about 2,000 case dockets.
Uthi ufika manje ngathi ukucwaninga-ke dokodo mhlawumbe awu-2,000.
As part of my daily duties, I was required to analyze information obtained from cellular telephones.
Kanti-ke njengengxenye yomsebenzi wami ngangilindelwe ukuthi ngikwazi ukucwaninga-ke ulwazi oluthize okanye imininingwane ethize etholakala kuma-cellphone.
Namely incoming and outcoming calls, phone contacts and SMSs.
Kanti-ke bengibheka wona-ke iy'ngcingo ezingenayo ney'phumayo, ngibheke-ke ukuthi abantu abastore khona lapho kuleyo cellphone, ngikwazi nokuthi ngibheke nama-SMS.
After the information which I received from the DPCI downloaders, phone downloaders.
Lokho bengikwenza-ke emva kokuthi-ke ngiyithole leyo mininingwane eqhamuka khona laphana ku-DPCI phone loaders.
I also received cell phone information from investigation officers about phone data which they've been received from the service providers.
Kanti-ke bengikwazi nokuthi ngithole-ke imininingwane-ke emayelana ne-cellphone ethize. Leyo mininingwane-ke ibiqhamuka ezandleni zalabo-ke abaphenya amacala mayelana-ke nolwazi oluthize okanye-ke imininingwane ethize khona lapho kuleyo phone.
I combined the phone downloads and the information from the service provider to provide a court-ready analyzed picture.
Kanti-ke mina engikwenzayo nje ukuthi ngihlanganise-ke leyo information okanye lolo lwazi engiluthola lapho okuqhamuka khona laphana kulaba-ke abaphana ngalezo nkonzo zama-cellphone. Ekugcineni-ke ngiyacwaninga ngikwazi ukuphana-ke ngesithombe esithize la enkantolo.
As part of my daily task, I already testify in various regional and high court cases in which I already got good sentences.
Kanti-ke njengengxenye-ke umsebenzi okanye lokho engikwenzayo malanga wonke ngeke ngayithola-ke sengifakaza ey'nkantolo ezihlukene ama-regional court.
Can you perhaps remember in how many cases you've testified in the High Court and in the Regional Court?
I would say in the High Court about 5 cases, and I'm currently busy with another 5 or 6. In the Regional Court, it's around about 50.
Ngasho-ke mhlawumbe e-regional court kungaba amacala awu-50 ushilo phambilini ukuthi seke kulawo macala-ke ake fakaza kuwo abantu batholakala benamacala ushuthi uthola ama-convictions abantu balahlwa amacala khona lapho ke regional court ukhuluma ngabo 50 kanti-ke i-high court laphayana 5 kuya ku-6 yamacala ake wavelela inkantolo ngawo.
I have successfully completed the analyst notebook course during 1999 and received in-service training from that time.
Uyasho ke uke wayenza nayo course yama analyst uthi i-analyst notebook course ngo-1999 kanti-ke uye wathola uqeqesho khona lapho esiphoyiseni in-service training kanti-ke unalo ulwazi apho ngingafiki lapho.
I have knowledge of the XRY program and the MS Office.
Kanti uthi unolwazi lwe XRY program ne MS Office.
Colonel, can you explain what is XRY program?
That is a program which is loaded on my computer to work with the downloads of a cell phone which you receive from your downloaders.
Manje uthi le XRY program lolu hlelo uhlelo ke olufakwa kwi computer okusebenzana ke nale mininingwane yama downloader mayelana ke nama cell phone.
And MS Office, what is that?
That's the normal typing programs.
Ma sikhuluma nge MS Office sikhuluma ke ngohlelo nje lwe computer elijwayelekile le la sikwazi ke khona ukuthi si type.
Yes, you may proceed.
Okay, I did complete the following courses successfully.
Khona lama course athize ke ngingawaqeda ngaphumelela kuwo ngawenza ngaphumelela kuwo.
The BTEC policing at UNISA during
BTEC policing at UNISA
during 2002-2003, and my main subjects was investigation of crime and police administration.
During 2002 to
2003.
Yeah, so 2002 to 2003 when the course BTEC policing at UNISA. The main subject was
police administration and investigation.
Police
crime investigation.
Crime investigation.
And you passed that course with distinction. That's correct.
No distinction.
And in 1999, I complete the analyst notebook course, the version 4. At Garsfontein in Pretoria.
Kanti-ke ngo-1999 wenza-ke i-analyst notebook i-V4 kanti-ke khona laphayana eGarsfontein eSecretoria ye-visual analysis.
And then the iBridge user one course in 2002 also at Garsfontein.
Ngo-2002 wenza i-program okanye i-course ebizwa i-iBridge khona lapho eGarsfontein.
Then the iBridge user V1 and the analyst notebook V6 upgrade course in 2003 also at Garsfontein.
Kanti okunye kwenza iyo lena i-iBridge user V1 i-analysis notebook ne-V6 ngo-2003 khona lapha eGarsfontein.
Then the I2 Analyst Notebook version 7 update in 2008, also at Pretoria, Flery Glen.
Waphinde wenza enye i-I2 ngo-2008 khona lana ke Flery Glen Pretoria.
And then again the Analyst Notebook VC upgrade in 2009 still, also in Flery.
I2 Analyst Notebook na wayenza ngo-2009 khona laphana Flery Glen Pretoria.
And then again the Chart Explorer and IXA course also in Flery Glen Pretoria in 2009.
Wenza Chart Explorer ne IXA ngo-2009 khona laphana Flery Glen Pretoria.
And then again the notebook version 8 update 2009 also in Flery Glen Pretoria.
Notebook V8 2009 khona laphana Flery Glen Pretoria.
This course is more or less the duration was a week to 3 weeks.
Lama course lana ke abethatha 2 to 3 weeks.
Then I did the notebook analysis course version 9 update in 2017, also in Pretoria, Fairy Glen.
Ngenza futhi ke i2 analyst notebook v9 i-update yakhona ke ngo-2017 kanti ke lokho ngaqeqeshelwa khona laphana e-Fairy Glen ePretoria.
Then 2014 I completed the analytical investigation method by Investigation Solutions in Fairy Glen, Pretoria.
Ngo-2014 uthi ngenza ke i-analytical investigation methods wokuthi ke by investigative solutions uthi ke ibona ke bebana ngayo leyo i-investigative solutions abekhona laphana e-Fairy Glen ePretoria.
Then after that I completed the following courses: a crime information management and analyze course,
Vakalokho ke ngase ngenza ke i-course nje ye-crime information management ne analyst course,
the design skills development workshop for crime intelligence.
Together ngaphinde ngenza i-design skills development workshop for crime intelligence.
I'm also trained as a financial authorized officer.
Uthi ke kanti ngiqeqeshiwe futhi nje nge-financial authorized officer.
I'm also trained as an authorized LVA operator. It's a layer voice analyzing course where I can do a lie detector test.
Ngenze i-authorized LVA operator lapho ke ngikwazi ke ukuthi ngiphenye ukuthi umuntu ukhuluma iqiniso noma cha lento ekuthiwa ke i-lie detector thola ukuthi umuntu ukhuluma amanga noma cha.
I'm also been trained in the intelligence analysis course on a Kappa science.
Uthi ke i-intelligence analyst course on a Kappa science enye ke yamahlela wenzile.
I've also completed the inquiry system, that is a police system where you can draw profiles and project information from a target or a suspect.
Uthi wenze inquiry system kanti ke lolu hlelo ke liyakwazi ukuthi likhiphe profile yomuntu okanye umsolo mayelana ke nendlela ayiphathe ngakhona.
I also completed the research methodology course.
Kanti ngiye ngenza i-course lena ye-research methodology.
I also completed the eye-based circulation system.
Ngaphinde futhi ngaqeda le course ke eye-based circulation system.
That eye-based circulation system is a system which the Hawks was using to store all their data and information. All the whole country's information is stored on this.
I-eye-based yona lena ikhuluma ngayo circulation system. Ama-Hawks ayakwazi ukuthi athathe imininingwane yonke iyalana emzansi nolwazi oluthize bafake khona lapho kulelo hlelo.
I also completed the crime detection management course, which include national intelligence model, the risk assessment techniques, SWOT, PESTELA, crime pattern analysis, and problem solving model.
Uthi ke okunye ngikwenzile ukwenza leyo course ke i-crime detection management course, the national intelligence model, i-risk assessment techniques, wenza ke i-SWOT, PESTELA, crime pattern analysis, kanti ke ne problem solving model.
I also complete the financial intelligence course.
Uthi ngenze ne financial intelligence course,
the WINDEED code, the information system,
ne WINDEED course, the information system,
resolving of crime schools program 5A, that's in the old terms your CID course.
Kanti ke nale course lena ke yokuzama ke ukuphenya okanye ukuxazulula ubugebengu, resolving of crime, the skills program.
I also completed the basic spatial analysis on TomTom. That is basically to plot the movement on Google Earth. It's like a Garmin. TomTom is it's taken over by Garmin.
Manje ke ngenze nayo le i-basic spatial analysis ku-TomTom. Le ekwazi ke lokhu ibheke umuntu ukuhamba kwakhe.
I also completed the crime intelligence course while I was acting for 7 years with crime intelligence.
Khona ke ne crime intelligence. i-course leyo uyenzile wayiqeda.
And I also completed the advanced course fundamental analysis.
Futhi ngiphinde futhi ngaqeda i-advanced course fundamental analysis.
So good, please, my lord. We have a list of acronyms that the witness is going to refer to. We just beg leave to hand up the list. It's a glossary of abbreviations. So.
The one on the top is the IMEI number. That's an International Mobile Equipment Identification. This is the serial number of the handset. Every cell phone number got its own unique number.
Manje kukhona ama abbreviations lana asetshenziswayo IMEI kanti ke ilena ke esetshenziswa ke ukukhomba okanye ukwazi ukuthi is cellphone ethize i-cellphone mhlambe ekabani okanye i-cellphone enjani ine serial number kanjalo futhi i-serial number yelokho njani ye-cellphone leyo.
This unique number can only be will only be issued to one handset. There will never be a cell phone handset with two numbers, the same number. No. Okay. You can even determine on the cell phone number, normally if it starts with a 35, you can determine in which country it was manufactured. So there's a lot of information on the serial number you can read.
Manje ke le cellphone ke inama i-cellphone cellphone enye nenye ine serial number yakhona. Futhi ke ayikho i-serial number eziphindaphindayo. Mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi i-serial number efanayo kuma-cellphone amabili. Kanti khona lana uzothola ukuthi iqala ngo-5. It starts with what?
35.
Yeah, 35. Lokho ke kuyasitshela ukuthi ngaphansi i-cellphone leyo actually.
Then the IMSI stands for International Mobile Subscriber Identity. It's an electronical allocated serial number of the SIM card.
Manje kukhona i-IMSI kuthiwa-ke lokho kumele ukuthi International Mobile Subscriber Identity imele lokho. Futhi-ke kufakwa-ke i-serial number ngaleyo ndlela kuthiwa electronically kufakwa i-serial number ye-SIM card.
The cell phone number you're using in your cell phone number, in your cell phone handset, will be connected to the SIM card.
Futhi-ke i-cell number efakwa kuleyo phone izobe ixhunyaniswa nale SIM card le.
IP is Internet Protocol.
Futhi-ke masikhuluma nge-IP sikhuluma nge-Internet Protocol.
IVR, Interaction Voice Response, example.
And then kukhona leyo i-IVR, Interactive Voice Response.
MMS, Multimedia Message Service.
Masikhuluma nge-MMS ke sikhuluma nge-Multimedia Messaging Service.
MOC, Mobile Original Call.
Kanti-ke masikhuluma nge-MOC sikhuluma nge-Mobile Originating Call.
That is when I make a call to call someone.
Futhi ukuthi ileso sikhathi-ke mase ngifonela umuntu othize or outgoing call.
MOSMS, Short Message Service.
Kanti-ke uma sikhuluma nge-MO SMS sikhuluma ngokuthi i-Short Message Service originating.
That is when I send a SMS to someone.
Futhi kungaleso sikhathi-ke ngithumela umuntu i-SMS.
MSISDN, Mobile Subscriber Integrated Service Digital Network. That is actually your cell phone number.
Gantige MSISDN mele Mobile Subscriber Integrated Services Digital Network. Lapho ke sikhuluma cell phone number yakho.
That is the number who is connected to your SIM card. In the old days, you could have known if it's 082, it's Vodacom, or it's 073, then it's MTN. But lately, you can move from service providers and keep your number.
Shuthi leyo number ke yona ingeniswa ne SIM card yakho. Kanti ey'nsukwini ezidlule kule minyaka endlule besikwazi ukuthi masibona nje u-082 sesiyazi ukuthi u-Vodacom. Kodwa-ke kule minyaka okanye kule nsuku zamanje abantu bayakwazi ukuthi basebenziseke inamba buka ngazuthi ye-network ethize kungenjalo. Umuntu uyasuka ngapha kule network ayothola iy'nkonzo ezimnelisayo kwenye network eloku ebambele ya number yakhe.
MTC, Mobile Terminating Call.
MTC isho ukuthi Mobile Terminated Call.
That is when you receive a call, someone's phoning you.
Amanye amazwi lapho sekusho khona-ke usuthola ucingo oluqhamuka kumuntu othize.
SMS, Short Message Service Terminating.
SMS, it's Short Message Service Terminating.
It's incoming message, it's when you receive the SMS.
Shuthi ke kuthiwa incoming message maso uthola wena i-SMS kuma khalekhikhini wakho.
Then other party, that's the other number you phoning.
And then lana ke sibe no other party. Manje mazwi ile number yalo muntu omfonelayo.
And then the Charlie Victor, CF, that stands for call forward. It's not on my tabel, but it stands for call forward. It can happen that you didn't answer your phone and the call has been, let's say, go to voice message.
Then kukhona ke le esibiza i-CF. Yona ke imele ukuthi call forward. Amanye amazwi uma ungakwazanga ukuphendule ingcingo zomuntu ivele nje ihambe mhlambe iswe kwi-voicemail.
And I just wanted to explain to the court as well, all this is going to be included in the SCP, in a section 205, which has been applied by the investigation officer from the service providers. That is where we're using this. And I just want to mention that we've done an application which is being signed by court, and then we receive all the information. And if we got the information on the number, you only got the tower location of the number you requested. So if there's a number which has been phoned, the allocation of the other number won't show if you not apply for that number.
Yabona ke kusho ukuthi ke ne section 205 konke lokhu kuyoqhamuka khona. Kanti ke kunesicelo esenziwayo kakhulukazi umuntu ophenya icala. Uma ngabe mhlawumbe kukhona ulwazi oluthize ofuna ukuba nalo mayelana ke nenumber ethize kumele amazwi i-cell number ethize uyakwazi ukusenza leso sicelo. Kodwa ke inumber ungazange wenza isicelo ngayo imininingwane yaleyo number awukwazi ukuthi uyithole.
Is it correct that section 205 refers to section 205 of the Criminal Procedure Act number 51 of 1977?
That's correct, my lord.
Yeah, section 205 then is ngayo Criminal Procedures Act 51 1977.
You may proceed.
Okay, in order for the analyst notebook program to read the information correctly, information must be edited. That is something we did while we preparing the information received from the service provider to put it into the analyst notebook program. I just want to mention that we take away the zeros in the beginning of the word, of the number.
Manje ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sibone kahle ke le notebook program ikwazi ukuthi ifunde ke ulwazi oluthize nemininingwane ethize ngendlela eqondile. Kumele ukuthi information ethize ethu ukujikisisa noma ukushintshwa ibekwe kahle.
So
kakhulukazi ke uma inumber iqala ngo-0 sebenzisa leyo 0.
So if a number starts with 0786762445, it will be converted to 786762445.
Kanti ke uma inombolo mhlawumbe iqala ngo 078676 sizoshintsha ke lapho u0 lona ke sithi 78676 bese kanjalo 2445.
Then we add a 27 number in front of it.
Kanti ke phambi kwaleyo nombolo ke esekhishwe u0 sekufakwa u27 phambi kwayo.
That is done to that numbers to be linked to international numbers.
Lokho kwenzela ukuthi leyo nombolo ikwazi ukuxhumana ke namanye amanombolo angaphandle kwaleli izwe lethu.
27 is a code for South Africa. Every country got its own code.
Kanti ke i27 icode yalana eMzansi izwe elinye nelinye line code yakhona eMzansi i27.
That is only to if someone phones someone out of the country to link the number to the rest of the database.
Ushuthi ke uma ke umuntu efonela umuntu engekho ushuthi lo muntu akekho ngapha eMzansi leyo code ke iyasiza ukuthi lo muntu ungaleke ukwazi ukuthi abantu lo mfonela akwazi ukuxhumana naye.
Then we also remove common numbers like 100, 111 or 121 or 144. It depends on the service provider. If you phone to listen to a voice message or something, or to send the please call me, we remove that as well.
Kanti ke lama number afana no 100 1011 121 nawo manumber nawo ayasuswa.
All dialing prefixes are removed. The plus zeros and everything is done.
Shuthi lama number okanye lezi impawu oqala ngazo kwi-number nazo ziyasuswa, into efana nabo plus o zero zonke lezo ziyasuswa.
This is done to ensure your data integrity, to make sure that your section 205 and your cell phone download, the numbers is all the same, and if there's linkages, it can link that the program is able to link them together.
Manje lokho ke kwenzela ukuthi ke i-section 205 nama-downloaders kube ukuthi aphethe ulwazi olufanayo.
I'm sorry, Connor, if you can just briefly explain downloading, what does that entail?
The downloading is a download of the information on your cell phone, on the handset, stored on the handset or on your SIM card. And that is, if you've been arrested with a phone, it's in the possession of the police, we download the phone, and that information is also coming to us. But that information on your cell phone download, it can have a +27 or a 0 in front. So we also have to clean that and put the 27 in front so that all the numbers is the same. And at the end of the day, it's going to look the same as a 205.
Shuthi ke kukhona information umuntu akwazi ukuthi ayi-download efonini yakhe. Ake sethi lo muntu ke useboshiwe njalo. Uyacheckwa ke konke akudownloadile kuleyo phone yakhe. Kanti ke kususa u0 ke ukwazi ukufaka i-code lena evumelene nokuthi okanye evumelana nokuthi ke kuxhumane ama-numbers angekho lana eMzansi.
The conversion is done by myself of the data that does not involve the manipulation of the data.
Kanti ke ukushintshwa ke kwale mininingwane akusho ukuthi leyo mininingwane ke isiyamosheka okanye isetshenziswa kabi ukuthi ke iguqulwe ayiguqulwa ukuthi ke ize ilahlekelwe umnyondo wayo.
I then use the analyst notebook program to draw up an analyst notebook chart of the information I received.
Ukuthi ke emva kwalokho ke ngisebenzisa ke i-analyst notebook ukuthi uhlelo lolo ukuzama ke ukwenza okanye ukuthola i-analyst notebook chart nolwazi olulapho.
And Colonel, can you just explain what is the analyst notebook chart?
It's like we call it the spider web. I will come to in my statement. I will show some of the charts.
Ilento sibiza i-spider web. Ngizozama-ke ukuthi ngingene lapho kuyo notebook. Ngizame-ke ukuthi ngiyithule kahle.
This program is able to show all the linkages, all the calls that make to a number or from a number.
Should you say that again, Kim?
The program make it possible for you to see who phone who.
Should you get a layer program? Iyakwazi ukuthi kuphendula ukubona ukuthi ubani ufonela bani.
I also placed the cell phone data information, which was received from the service provider on one combined Excel spreadsheet for record purposes.
Ukuthi-ke ngaphinde-ke ngathola okanye ukubeka-ke i-cellphone data i-information yakhona eke iyatholakala khona laphayana-ke laba baphana-ke iy'nkonzo ukuzama-ke ukuhlanganisa i-Excel spreadsheet ukuze inkantolo ikwazi ukuthola lolu lwazi.
Also, of the spreadsheets will be is included in my statement, which we will discuss later during the trial.
Lokho-ke kukhona la kule presentation engizokwazi ukuthi ngiyicacise isikhathi masiloku siyakha.
The chart shows associations of data received and messages on the phone downloads.
Kanti-ke lama charts lawa-ke abonisa-ke ukuthi idata etholakele ixhumene kanjani nemilayezo ama-message atholakale ngenxa yokuthi kube nama-downloads efonini.
Yes, you may proceed.
Then on 9 April 2020, at about 10 o'clock, I received CDs of Section 205 and cell phone downloads from the investigation officer, Brigadier Kabinda.
Kanti-ke nge-9 April 2020, about 10 o'clock, ngiyangathola-ke ama-CD where the Section 205 where Section 205, my apology, Your Lordship, ne cell phone, download cell phone, ningwane downloaded cell phone, utamgage kulona ophenya ikala o Brigadier Gininda ngolwazi nama targets.
What does target mean?
On this stage, we call it targets because we were still busy with investigations. So we did identify persons which we are concentrated on work on. So in that stage, we didn't say it's a suspect or is it just someone. So we work as a target.
Shuthi-ke uma sikhuluma nge-target-ke sikhuluma ngemizamo esiyenzayo uma-ke sesithole umuntu othize kumele senze simphenye lokho-ke kuyi-target esikhuluma ngayo.
Now, what is it that you had to do? Yes, what was the mandate? Yes.
Sorry? Well, okay.
Yes.
His request was to profile all the targets and suspects, which was identified by the team.
Shuthi-ke isicelo sakhe sokuthi maku profile okanye kutholakale-ke imininingwane yabasolwa ukuthi-ke baye bakhonjwa-ke ithimba leyisebenzi.
He wanted to know if they are first-time offenders.
Ubefuna nokwazi ukuthi bayaqala yini ukwenza amacala nenkantolo.
They actually want a complete profile of the person.
Shuthi-ke ubefuna-ke i-profile ephelele yomuntu.
That was possible for me to do because I got training in all the courses I showed during my, the start of my statement. I got access to various systems in the police, private, and a lot of databases which I can use to identify the information.
Lokho ngakho lokwenza ngoba phela-ke ngingayithola ngingxenye yamahlelo ahlukahlukene laphayana-ke eziphoyiseni njengoba sengitshilo phambilini ukuthi ngenze maphi amahlelo engikwazile ukuthi ngiphumelele kuwo.
He also requested me to follow up if any of the suspects got a legal firearm in their possession, license in their possession.
Wangicela ke nokuthi ngilandelisise alana ke nabasolwa abanake ibhamu ngokusemthethweni noma cha.
He also requested me that I must determine if there's any linkages between the current suspects and the people in the house at the time of the crime.
Nokuthi ke ngikwazi ukuphenya nokuxhumanisa abasolwa nalabo ke nalabo ke abantu basendlini.
And I just want to draw the attention to the court as well that the Section 205 information, not one of the team members applied for that, but it was stored on the central database of the police. So that is why it was being applied for by previous investigation officers. But we did have access to that.
Ulwazi oluthize kukhona la belifakwa okanye libekwe khona ingalokho ke mayelana ke nabasolwa kanye lawo ma-profile ingalokho ke besifanele ukuthi singamalunga nethimba senze isicelo sokuthi sithole lolo lwazi.
If you say people in the house, can you just briefly explain?
The people in the houses was the time of the crime. Other words, Kerry Kumalu, Zandile, her mother, and the two long ways, Chico and Dumelo.
Mangikhuluma ke ngabantu basendlini ngikhuluma ngoKelly Khumalo, Zandile Khumalo, umama uLongwe nalona omunye.
When you say Chico, you mean Longwe Twala?
Yes, yeah.
And,
ngikhuluma ngoLongwe Twala.
and Thokozisi Twala?
Yes, yes, yeah. The two Twalas.
Futhi nalabo Twala babili uLongwe noMthokozisi Twala.
Then I also received, at the same time, cell phone downloads from the Brigadier Gaginda.
Ngingathola ke ama-downloads we-cellphone uqhamuka ke ngaleso sikhathi uye lona uBrigadier Gaginda,
which he received from Sergeant, now a Captain Maswana, and the Sergeant Mbasa.
Lokho wathola ke ku-Sergeant Maswana noMbasa ukuthi manje sebephushiliwe emsebenzini.
Briefly, if you can refer to page 17,
Yes.
Colonel.
This is just an example for the court.
Eminye ke imizekelo elungiselelwe inkantolo.
That is the way they downloaded the phone. First, it is a reference number. It's for risk case number 636 of 10/2014.
Indlela ke abakwazi downloada leyo information ukuqala ile reference number i-phosphorus pass 636 of 10/2014.
And then the next is the exhibit ID number. That is a forensic bag number.
Kanti ke enye i-exhibit ID inamba yakhona emazi ke is it a seal bag number?
No, it's a seal bag. It's a forensic bag number.
It's a kusho ukuthi ke kuthiwa ke ile sakana ke le forensic inamba yakhona ke isetshenziswa phezu kwalelo saka.
In this incident, it was Papa Alpha 500 208 7781.
Number leyo ibithi PA 500 208 7781.
And then the device type is a ZTE V795. That's a type of phone.
Kanti ke ilokho njani ke uhlobo lomakhala khukhwini lona beku ZTE V795.
Then the IMEI number, the handset number, like we already discussed. It's 8633 720 213 76214.
Kanti ke IMEI number yona ke ibethi 86 33 72 02 13 76 214.
Then the serial number is not mentioned.
Kanti ke i-serial number yona ke ayifakiwe.
Then the cell phone number is mentioned, 82-704-4358.
Kodwa ke i-cell number yona ifakiwe.
Yes.
Kuthiwa ke 82-704-4358.
And the name of the suspect at that stage, they was maybe put into this block, so it's
Yes. Yes. You can move on. Yes.
Kelly Kumalo.
Kanti ke igama lomsolo lapho kule mininingwane yonke kwakuKelly Khumalo.
In date of birth and ID number is also left out.
Kanti ke i-date of birth kanye usuku lokuzalwa kwakhe ne-ID number azange ifakwe kule mininingwane.
And then the offense was murder.
Kanti ke ukuthi ubethwaliswa lephi icala kuthiwa ke into lokubulala.
Then the investigation officer, Lieutenant Colonel Neetling, and he was from Toms.
Lona bephenya icala beku Lieutenant Colonel Neetling. Kanti ke yena beqhamuka kuleyo unit ye-Toms.
Yes. You can go back. Sergeant Mushwana will testify about
Okay.
the downloading. You may proceed to page 3.
I just want to mention that we did receive downloads for all the cell phones from people inside the house, except for the cell phone which was stolen during the murder, during the crime.
Ngithanda ukusho ke ukuthi wonke ama-cellphone abantu abangasendlini siye sathola ama-downloads wabo. Ngaphandle ke kwale cellphone kuthiwa ke iye yantshontshwa laphana endlini.
As well as the cell phone of Senzo, the deceased.
Kanti ke nayo ke i-cellphone esenzo umufi.
And I also want to point out to the court that the time we arrested the current suspects in front of the court now, we didn't apply for their Section 205s because there's a 3 years lap area. So it was too long ago to apply for them to place them on this crime scene.
Manje ngithanda ukusho ke azange ke senze lesi sicelo efanele ukuthi siyenzwe esimayelana ke nemibandela ye-Section 205 ngoba ke kwasekundluleke iminyaka emithathu ingalokho ke singakwazanga ukuthi senze leso sicelo.
Yes.
Kakhulukazi ke ngikhuluma ngalabasolwa abalana eGantown.
Now I going to discuss information on Kelly Kumalo. That was also one of my, like I mentioned, one of my requests from the brigadier. During my analysis, I identified the following numbers which belong to Kelly Kumalo. Her ID number is 82-1111.
Yeah, it's fine. You don't need to read that. It's on record. Yes.
Which I can prove via links with her family, friends. XDS is an expert decision system, central database, reference numbers, police crime administration systems, e-notice and TrueCall.
Manje ke ngithanda ukusho ke kukhona i-profile kaKelly esisayithola lana osasebenza phezu kwayo. Uthi ngaleso sikhathi ke ngiloko ngicwaninga lapho ngiye ngakwazi ukuthi ngiyithole le number ke landelayo kuyiyona ke inumber kaKelly. Kanti ke wasuyayisho ke inumber leyo ke emayelana ke noKelly. Engikwazile ke mina ukuthi ngaqinisekisa ke ukuthi ngixhumanise amalunga omndeni abangani ngixhumanise ke ne-XDS, i-Expert Decision System Central Database, i-reference kanti ke ne-Police Crime Administration System, i-notice ne-TrueCaller.
And Colonel, can you just explain what is the XDS? What purpose does it serve?
The XDS is a private system which contains all the data when you, let's say you go to a dealership or a normal shop where you open an account, then all that information will be put onto a database and we got access to that data.
Manje ke uma sikhuluma nge-XDS Kuyi-system lena-ke yangasese phethe imininingwane yonke yomuntu. Ake sithi mhlawumbe uyahamba uyokwenza isicelo mhlawumbe semoto ebhange kuphi, leyo mininingwane-ke etholakala lapho nathi-ke siyakwazi ukuthi sibe nalo lolo lwazi lwaleyo mininingwane.
And the police crime administration system?
That's like your normal police registration. When you go to the police station and open a case, then you will get that information on your ID number or cell phone number, and it also includes your if you've got a criminal record, you can also take it from that system.
Leyo system ebizwa i-police crime administration system. Umuntu yovulikala lapho ubhekwe ID number noma i-cell phone number, bese-ke kuxhunyaniswa-ke i-ID number ne-cell phone number leyo ne-record yalowo muntu lowo.
And e-notice, what is it?
E-notice system is also in the police system where you can follow up. If I got your ID number or your car registration number, I can follow up what is your address and what cars you got on your name.
Kanti-ke i-notice nayo-ke injalo. Uma ngabe mhlawumbe khona i-ID number okanye i-registration number yemoto yakwazi ukuxhunyaniswa namagama wakho ukuthi uhlala kuphi-ke into enjalo.
Then Truecaller, it's also a tool I'm using to identify a target or a suspect. That is what you use when you set up your phone. Normally you put in your name, and that's about 90% accurate lately.
Manje-ke i-Truecaller-ke iyakwazi-ke isho ukuthi ifoni-ke ekabani umuntu ofonayo ukuthi ubani. Futhi-ke uma uthola ifoni ufake imininingwane yakho, mhlawumbe ifoni entsha ufake imininingwane yakho, mawufona iyakwazi-ke i-Truecaller isho ukuthi ubani ofoni. Kanti-ke ngendlela eqonde ngakhona 90% yakhona kuthiwa-ke iqondile iningi labantu uma befona-ke.
I did download that app on my phone, so I got access to that information.
Manje nami-ke ngike ngayi-downloada-ke le app okuyi-Truecaller. Ngaleyo ndlela-ke nginayo-ke imininingwane emayelana nayo.
Then to come back to the numbers which is mentioned, linked to Kelly Kumalo, the first one is 2779 494 8773. It's been mentioned there in 2018-0507. She used that reference number.
Manje-ke ake size-ke kule number exxhumene noKelly yona-ke ethi 277 9494 8773 ngey-7 zikaMeyi 2018.
Sorry, yeah, no, it's correct. She used the number as per Rosebank case
Okay.
Yes.
as well. Rosebank case 1 of 6/2007, when she
Yes.
was a victim in a theft general case.
Yes.
Kanti-ke siye sayisebenzisa futhi leyo nombolo laphana kule case number kuyi-Rosebank case 1/06/2007 emayelana-ke nokuntshontsha ukuba isisulu nje ngokujwayelekile.
Then the next number 27733 886730, using 2017-0503.
Kanti-ke enye inamba elandelayo i-277 33 88 6730 iyasetshenziswa-ke okanye wayisebenzisa-ke ngeyi-3 zikaMeyi 2017.
Then the next number 27614 562104, she used in 2017-0408.
Kanti inamba elandelayo iyaba u-2761 456 2104 kuyinamba wayisebenzisa ngeyi-8 zika-April 2017.
Then the next number she used is 2711 883 1447. It's a landline. She used as a reference number in 2017-0328.
Kanti-ke enye inamba elandelayo ethi 2711 landline 883147. Kanti-ke uyisebenzise ngeyi-28 zika-March 2017.
Then the number 27729 382498. She used as a reference number in 2015-0128.
Kanti enye inamba-ke 2772 inamba wayisebenzisa-ke ngeyi-28 zika-January 2015.
And then the next number 277345150117. So use as a reference number 2012-0827.
And your number don't get I-7 yati 2773 4515 017. In number I-7 27 zika August 2012.
Then the next number 2782-704-4358. She uses a reference number 2011-10-19. And she also used the number as per Honeydew Case 1075 of 10-2011 assault common where she was a victim.
Ganti number Lena 2782-704 4358. Yes, it's so weird. Again 19 October 2011. Gantionia Ikumen Lela Lala say Honeydew Icas 10/20/2011. Lapa is through Luge so Chawa.
This number we will also discuss later in my statement. This number is Rika on her name.
Gatige le number le nage so peniskume ngayo statement insam. Iye ya require ngaphansi kwegama lakhe.
And what is Rika, Colonel?
It's when you buy your phone, you have to submit your ID book, and then they register the handset and your cell phone number next to your name and ID number.
Mase tu Rika uthola manje ufanele ukuthi uregister imininingwane yakho ebonisayo ukuthi wena uxhumene nale cellphone le setshenziswa ke ne-ID number yakho.
Then the next landline number 2711-431-1179. She uses a reference number also 2011-09-13 as well as during Douglas Dale 65 of 12/2009 identification where she was also a victim.
Ganti uma sikhuluma ke ngenye inombolo ilena i27 1143 11179. Kanti ke yasetshenziswa ke nge-13 zika September 2011. Inombolo ke ekhulunyiswa ke ne case yase Douglas Day ene-case number 65/12/2009 lapho ke wayesatshiswa khona nalapho ke bekuyisulu.
Yes, you can skip, sorry, Colonel.
Yes, I just want to...
Yeah, you can skip the next paragraph.
Okay.
This is not really relevant. Then there is a chart on page 5 that you can also skip for present purposes.
Yes. Then we come back to that number.
And you can then go to there in the middle of the page where the number 0827044358 appears in bold.
Yes.
Page 5.
That's correct. I did follow up this number. The number I have been stated on Truecaller as Kelly Kumalu bookings.
Manje ngingaya ngabheka leyo nombolo okuyiyona ke inombolo kaKelly Kelly Kumalo ethi 2782-044358 kanti ke ku-Truecaller iveza uKelly Kumalo bookings XDS
Refers as well.
refers.
And I've already mentioned it's also Rika on her name.
Kanti njengoba sengishilo ke irikwe ngaphansi kwegama lakhe.
Just to take note, no calls was made from this phone on 2014-10-26 from 1400 hours to 23:41 and 51 seconds.
Uthi ke azikho ke ingcingo ezakhishwa nje kulo phone leyo nge-26 October 2014 okusuka ngo-2 o'clock ntambama ukufika ngo-11 o'clock 23:41 51 seconds, 23 hours, 41 minutes, 51 seconds.
That was the day of the crime?
Yes.
So. Okay, then the next day, the day after the crime, also no calls been made.
Shooting ilanga landelayo leli ilanga lesigameko shuthi ke nge-27 ka-October nangalelo langa iy'ngcingo zange zikhishwe ke uxhuma kuleyo phone.
I could draw the attention on this one. It's possible that that time the phone was in the possession of the police. That's why no calls has been made.
Lokho ngakusho-ke ukuthi kuyakhonakala ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi engakwazanga ukuthi enze ingcingo uxhuma kuleyo phone shuthi nge-27 ka-October ingenxa ukuthi mhlawumbe leyo phone ibe sezandleni zamaphoyisa. So
Yes.
sizathu mhlawumbe senze ukuthi angakhona ukuthi enze amakhona.
It's on page 6. You can skip those first two paragraphs and go to SMS received by Mzandi Kumalo.
This is extractions from the download from Zandeli's phone.
Shuthi ke ama-download ana-ke aye alandelelwa amayelana-ke nefoni kaZandile.
It's been sent from the phone with number 27746 766 669.
Shuthi ke iye yathunyelwa kuxhuma kuleyo cellphone leyo inamba yakhona 82774 669.
And it's been sent by Kelly Kumalo's phone with the number 082 270 44358.
Kanti ke leyo SMS ithunyelwa nge-number kaKelly ethi Kelly Kumalo. Inamba yakhona ke 082 270 44358.
And is that correct? What follows is a series of messages which references already been made to in cross-examination.
Okay,
From page 6
that's correct, ma'am.
up to page 10. In fact, up to page 11. What follows after the last message on page 11, you can skip that. Page 12, you can also skip that. Up to page 17, you've already referred to page 17.
That's correct.
Page 18,
Maybe I can just
yes.
just want to mention here on the bottom of this page,
Which page?
17.
Yes.
We must keep in mind if we gonna work on the cell phone downloads with the app, with the download of the phone. You must always add plus 2 hours to the time which has been mentioned on the download. So if the download says it's 4 o'clock, then it's actually 6 o'clock.
Manje kahle kahle ke uma senza ama-download aveza isikhathi esithize lapho se-download thina ke kwafanele ukuthi si-add i-2 hours phezu kwaleso sikhathini. Ake sithi mhlawumbe i-download yenziwe ngo-4 o'clock sifake 2 hours phezulu kuyoba 6 o'clock.
And if I can just maybe interrupt you at this stage, Colonel, and refer to Exhibit O in brackets 2. Just on page 4, can you just identify what is the information that is contained here?
That is the information that is from a section 205 information.
Yes.
Yabona because ukhuluma ngalo ke mayelana ke nolwazi section 205 minimali evelela khona laphana ku section 205.
Here I indicated to the court the movement of the witness Zandi Kumalo and her boyfriend of that time, Longwe Twale.
Yes.
Lana ke ngikhuluma ukuthi ke ube hamba kanjani lona uZandi Kumalo kanye ke nesoka lakhe okanye boyfriend yakhe uLongwe Twala ngaleso sikhathi.
And the SMS exchanges between them, is that correct?
That's right, the good. SMSs, and please keep in mind on the section 205 the time is the real time.
Yes.
Kanti ke kube no tholakala ama SMS lapho kanti ke isikhathi esivele lapho ke isikhathi okuyisona hayi isikhathi mhlawumbe esifake lo 2 hours bese.
Yes, we'll come back to, if you can turn to page 44 of Exhibit 01.
44.
It's page 44 of Exhibit 01. The SMS exchanges between Zanile Kumalo and Longwe Twala.
This one, yes, yeah.
Yeah, just read the bullet point into the record.
Well, it's a movement of the witness Zandi Kumalo and Longwe Twala on 26 October 2014.
Yes. No, but download summary.
No, this is not
Yeah.
a download, this is a
Yes.
section 205.
Exhibit O in brackets 2.
This is O2.
Yes. Yes. It's download summary of cell phone.
Okay, I will load it.
Yes.
But with the struggle we got now, everything is in one statement. So
Yes.
from now on, the
Okay.
pages won't be correspond to.
Yes.
That's one.
Okay.
Where you mentioned that 2 hours must be added.
That is how it. That is how the downloads look.
Yes.
Manje ingendlela ke ama download abuya ngakhona.
You just read that bullet.
It's a download summary of cell phone with number 27608 040436 Longwe Twala.
Kufinwe ke lana ke ama download we cellphone number 27608 040436
Yes.
and lapho ke malana no Longwe Twala.
And that is where we have to add the 2 hours.
Lana ke kula sifanele ukuthi siphinde sifake lo 2 hours amahora amabili phezu kwaleso sikhathi.
If you can refer to page 46 of the same exhibit, page 46.
Which one is that now? Where
The-
was I?
Page 46, the last message there.
The last message here.
Yes, on page 46.
On page 46.
It says, I'm outside. 26 October 2014. The time is given as 04:57 and 36 seconds.
That's correct.
So what will the actual time be?
The actual time will be 06. In other words, 1800 hours and 57, just before 7, 1900 hours.
Bona ke lana kule SMS lana ke ya nge 2 zika October 2014 sorry 826 zika is that the 2nd of October or the 26th?
26, this is
826 is October 2014 and the actual time is
The actual time is on the download, it's 04.57.56, but then you have to add the 2 hours, then it's going to become 06:57.
kanti ke isikhathi sokudownloada ke ilomlayezo ukuthi I'm outside ngaphandle isikhathi lapho sokudownloada sithi 04 futhi ekseni 04:57 kanti uma sizofaka ke lamahora awu-2 izothi 0657.
And you can see that the information is from his phone, and the message is been to Zandele, which he saved on his phone as Angel Sunshine.
Yes. Thank
Ngibona
you.
ke ukuthi le umlayezo uqhamuka kwi-cellphone yakhe i-Apple SMS njengoba ivela lapho iya ku Zandile.
Thank you.
To the Angel Sunshine.
Thank you, Colonel. If we can get back down then to exhibit O in brackets 1, we were at page 18.
On top.
Yes, they're in the middle of the page. You can continue from there.
On the device boot up or
Yes, just below that.
During the cell phone download, the following has been picked up on the device event log with the device boot up at 20:14, 10:27, 01, 51, 58 a.m. So that's in the early mornings of just obviously the morning after the crime incident.
Manje uma kwenza ngaleso sikhathi kwenziwa le cellphone download lokho kulandelayo kuye kwatholakala kuleso sisetshenziswa okanye i-device event log ene device boot up nge-27th October 2014 isikhathi besithi 01 imizuzu 31 imizuzu 1:38 a.m. UTC.
So that can mean that the owner of the phone did delete everything on the phone.
Lokho kungasho ukuthi umnikazi wale phone uye waqisha yonke into okanye wasula yonke into eyayise phone.
Or some of the information, because it's a smartphone, you can do it on the
Kanti ke mhlawumbe kunokwenzeka ukuthi ukhona ke imniningwane ethize ayonke akwazi ukuthi makayisule lapho kuleyo cellphone.
Yes.
Phela ke bekuyi-smart cellphone.
Yes, just
you
for
can
record
do it
purposes.
via internet, where you've got also access to your own information, which you can go into your phone information and you can delete some of your information. It's not necessary for you to have the phone in your hand, your
Yes.
position.
Shuthi ke lokho kuyakhonakala ukuthi umuntu angakwenza angangena nje kwi-internet akwazi ukuthi athole imininingwane okanye ulwazi oluthile olumayelana ke ne-cellphone yakhe bese uyayisula akudingekile ukuthi uphethe i-cellphone esandleni
And
akwazi ukwenza lokho.
just for record purposes, which number are we talking about here?
We're talking about the number 2782-704-4358.
Leyo number ukhuluma ngayo ile i-2782 704-4358.
Yes.
And I can also mention I got no clear indication when did the police seize the phone. So I can't say they put the phone 10 o'clock the previous night in a forensic bag or 10 o'clock the next morning. So that's not clear to me.
Akucacile kahle ukuthi bafaka le cellphone kwi-contact forensic bag nini mhlambe izolo ngesikhathi esithizo namhlanje lokho akucacile kahle.
Yes.
Then if we go further on this phone,
Uma silokhu siqhubeka njalo ngaleyo phone
on the 24th of October, that I say no calls made or calls been answered. But that is a typing fault of mine. I can just delete it, but I will come to that now. Or no calls was made to the police on the day of the murder.
shuthi ke awekho okanye azikho imingcele ezenzelwa okanye zenzelwa esiphoyiseni okanye kufonela amaphoyisa ngalelo langa lokufa okanye lokubulawa.
On the 24th of October at 11:37 she received a SMS.
nge-24 zika-October 2014 11:37 wathola-ke i-SMS.
Then she sent a SMS on the 24th of October at 11:48.
Wase uthumela i-SMS nge-24 zika-October ngo-11:48.
Then again on the 24th of October, 11:51, she also received a SMS.
nge-24 zika-October 2014 ngo-11:51 wathola i-SMS.
Then also on the 24th of October, 2014, 13:46, she also didn't answer a call which she received from that number.
Kanti-ke nge-24 zika-October 2014 13:46 wathola i-phone call akakwazanga ukuthi ayiphendule leyo phone call eqhamuka kuleyo number elapho.
Then the following 4 calls she did answer. On the 24th of October at 18:52, she received a call from Sensor where she talked about 96 seconds.
Which she talked for?
Yeah. On 24 October 1852, she received a call.
Okay. I had the 96 seconds.
Yes, 96, which she was talking 96 seconds.
And then nge-24 zika-October 2014 18:52 wathola-ke i-phone call eqhamuka kusenzo. Lapho-ke kuleyo phone call wakhuluma isikhathi esingango-96 seconds.
And where do we see the 96 seconds?
It's not on my the Excel spreadsheet now, but I do have the recipe, the section 205 to prove that to the court.
96 seconds ngoba ngingabeleli-ke laphana kulesi screen uthi-ke ikhona ku-section 205 sikwazile ukuthi siyifake lapho ku-section 205 statement.
On this spreadsheet, I just concentrated on the type code, not on the seconds, but I add the seconds, the duration of the call afterwards.
Yabona lana bengibheke ukuthi uthole iy'ngcingo ezinjani naye kangakuthi wathatha isikhathi esingakanani asefonini.
Then in the same day, 1911:38, she received another call from Sensor and she talked 21 seconds.
Kanti-ke ngalowo suku 24 October 2014 1911 wathola i-phone call eqhamuka kusenzo wakhuluma 24 seconds kuyo.
And where do
Then
you,
the same day,
the duration of the conversation?
14 seconds.
Oh, sorry. Is it not 24? Oh,
What's 14?
14.
Yes. And where do we see that?
It's also on the section 205.
Nakho lokho khona lama seconds akhona khona laphana ku-section 205. Futhi abafethu benge yona i-24 seconds.
And then,
14 seconds.
and then on the same day, the 24th of October, she received a call from Zandele at 1956. Yeah, 1956. And they was talking 11 seconds.
Wathola-ke i-phone call eqhamuka ku-Zandile nge-24 zika-October 2014 ngo-1936 isikhathi leso.
From
Wakhuluma 11 minutes, 11 seconds.
11 seconds.
Wakhuluma nje isikhathi esingenza imizuzwana ewu-11.
Then the rest of the time, no calls been made.
Emva kwalokho-ke sonke lesikhathi azange atholeke iy'ngcingo
All answered.
okanye-ke ngamanye amazwi akazange afone okanye athole ama-phone call.
She did receive a SMS at 15:12 on 25th of October.
Uye wathola i-SMS. Wathola i-SMS nge-25 zika-October 2014. Isikhathi yiso leso 15:12.
And from that time to, let's say, midnight, no calls answered from this phone.
Kanti-ke kusuka leso sikhathi ukufika mhlambe nge-midnight akukho-ke iy'ngcingo akwazi ukuthi angayiphendula.
Then on the 27th, also no calls been answered, but it's possible that the phone could be in the possession of the police.
Kanti-ke nge-27 futhi akazange athole ukuthi aphendule iy'ngcingo. Kunokwenzeka ukuthi ifoni yayisezandleni zamaphoyisa ngaleso sikhathi.
You're in page 20.
Yes.
Yes. Page 21.
On page 21, it go on with all the calls been forward on 21, and then it run over to 22, also all calls forward, until page 23 to point 4.
Manje sonke lesikhathi ukufika i-27 ka-October unless usikhathi-ke page 1, what page is that by the way?
Page 23.
Ukufika ku-page number 23 ubelokwe engayitholi-ke iy'ngcingo kanye pendula iy'ngcingo.
Then my next point during my analysis, I discovered that Kelly Kumalo with a number 27827 044 358 receive a call from Mtuli Nkani with the number 27733 059202.
Just read that first name.
It's Fiso Kulu.
Fisokuhle.
Good lecture, sorry.
And if written in brackets 5, what does that indicate?
It means a suspect 5 in front of the court.
Manje-ke ngike ngaphinde futhi ngathola okunye lana ukuthi kube nocingo olungena-ke kule number kaKhili Khumalo ethi 2782 704 4358. Leyo nombolo yayiqhamuka kuye Fisokuhle Ntuli Nkani okuyena-ke ummangalelo wesihlanu, kanti-ke inombolo yakhona-ke yayithi 2773059202.
And
how did you establish this number? Which is number 5?
Like I mentioned in the beginning, I draw up profiles on all the targets as well as the suspects, all through all the systems which was to my dispatch, which I was using. So on that I did identify the number belongs to him.
Ngoba sengishilo ukuze ngithole le profile okanye imininingwane kunama-system esiwasebenzisayo, kanti-ke ngiyakwazi-ke mina ngibe okanye ukungena kulawo ma-system lapho-ke uma kukhona i-target ethize esifuna ukuthi sithole i-profile yayo, siyangena-ke sisebenzisa-ke lawo ma-system lawo, bese-ke imininingwane mayelana-ke naleyo target sesikhuluma ngomuntu othize-ke bese iyaphuma imininingwane ngayo kanye ulwazi oluthize ngayo.
The next spreadsheet I took
Sorry. For my edification, what time was the call?
I will come to that.
Oh, you'll come to that. Okay,
Yes.
fine. Okay, no problem.
My next spreadsheet is a traction from the section 205 of the phone of Kelly Kumalo. The first I mentioned the cell phone number, it's 2782-704-4358.
Kanti okunye-ke okulandelayo engingakwenza imayelana-ke ne-section 205 bese ithi section 205 senzo, kanti-ke i-MSIS DN inombolo yakhona ibithi 2782-704-4358.
The next number we're going to read is the IMSI number, it's a SIM card number.
Enye inombolo-ke esizoyifunda manje i-IMSI inombolo yakhona inamba ye-SIM card-ke le.
The number is 655-0-155-0139-6061.
Leyo nombolo-ke ithi 655-01 0139-6061.
And the next one is the IMI number, the handset number.
Okulandelayo i-IMA number, futhi-ke inombolo yomakhalekhikhini obolwayo.
The number is 35-15-03-05-303-538.
Leyo number-ke ithi 35-15-03-05-303-538.
And the call type is a MTC, with other words, terminating call, she received the call.
uhlobo ke le lo cingo lolo kuthiwa i-MTC ukusulwa okanye ukuchithwa ke kwa leyo call.
And the start date of the call was the 2nd of August 2014, and the time was 22:40:47.
Leo phone call ke ya qala ke go 22:40:47 seconds between August 2014.
And the duration of the call was 110 seconds, close to 2 minutes.
Kanti ke leyo phone call yathatha isikhathi esinga ngama seconds awu 110 ngamanye amazwi mhlambe into engathi 2 minutes.
She received a call from the other party, 2773-305-9202.
Wathola ke iphone call ikamka ke bomunye kanti ke yayikamka kule number lena ke 2773-305-9202.
And you said the other party is?
It's the suspect number 5, Gandhi.
Kanti ke uma sikhuluma ke ngomunye other party umsolwa wesihlanu uKani.
And she received a call while she was in the vicinity of the tower 3G, Kimberley, Mike Victor, Mike Whiskey, Charlie Echo November.
Kanti ke wathola ke leyo phone call aseduze nale transmission tower ethi 3G Kimberley MWCEN.
Wait. It's 3G's K, CF, it's Kimberley K. Kimberley K stands for Kimberley. Where about is it?
It can be Kimberley.
In Kimberley itself.
Kimberley himself.
It's not that it's a code. Okay, fine.
Now, if I read the other towers, it's possible that it's outside.
Okay.
Should sikhuluma ngayo Kimberley ke ngokolwayo.
Then the next entry on the spreadsheet is also from a same cell phone number, the same IMSI number, the SIM card number, but the IMEI number, the handset number, it's different. So it's possible that they could have updated the phone or just use another handset. The handset number of this one is 8633-720-213-7621.
Kanti ke enye phone call elandelayo kusafana i-MSISDN number yafana, IMSI number isafana, i-IMEI number yona ehlukile. Okunokwenzeka ukuthi mhlambe ube sesebenzisa ke ilokho njani enye mhlambe i-cellphone enye. Kanti ke i-IMEI number yakhona ithi 8633-7202-137621.
Then the call type is also Mike Tango Charlie, terminating call, I would say received the call.
Kanti ke i-call type iyo leyo MTC, ithi terminating call. Ngamanye amazwi ke uye wathola ke i-phone call.
And the call was on the 15th of October 2014 at 17:53:57.
Kanti ke leyo call yangena nge-15th October 2014 isikhathi besithi 17:33:57 seconds.
And the time of the duration of the call was 98 seconds, a minute and a half, more or less.
Kanti ke isikhathi asichithe kuleyo phone call kwaba 98 seconds. Mhlambe ihora umzuzu nemzuzwana eyu-30.
And
Ngisho nje khona lapho.
And then the other party is the same, it's 2773-05-9202, which belong to suspect number 5.
Kanti ke la kuthiwa other party lo muntu lo obemfonele inumber yakhona ke ethi 2773-305-9202. Futhi ke umsola wesihlanu.
And the tower reception area was 2G, Iredale Farm, somewhere in Limpopo.
Kanti
I did follow up. It's
Somewhere in
Limpopo.
or Limpopo. Okay.
Yes.
Kanti ke lona obemfonela ese duze kwi transmission tower 2G Ivydale Ivydale Farm ese Limpopo.
Yes. Yes, you may proceed.
Okay. The next is also a traction out of the section 205 for the cell phone records of the 2nd of August and 15 October.
You just before, just put the information that appears on 23 just on the record.
Just
The number, starting with the number.
okay, the number is the cell phone number 2782 70 44 358.
Kanti ke enye inamba ke landelwayo iyo lena ke 278270443558.
Yes, had contact with the number. Just read that portion.
That contact with the other party is 2778188037.
Kanti ke waba nokuxhumana ke nalona oni number ethi 277818803.
Yeah. I'm sorry, Colonel, just on page 23, there's that information that appears just
Yeah, it's the same.
after the spreadsheet.
Yes, that is the same information.
Yes.
It's actually a duplication.
Uthi lana ke
Yeah, but just put it on record.
Okay.
Yes.
ama calls enziwe phambili mhlambe okanye emva kwesigameko nge2 zika August 2014 nange15 zika October 2014.
He was using this Mazarida SIM card numbers and everything.
No, just that the number, Kelly Kumalo, had contact with that,
With
and
that.
just that summary.
Okay. And then the next call, it was also one which he didn't answer.
Kanti ke enye phone call ayithola azange ake ayiphendule.
It was was 20:55:27.
Kanti ke isikhathi beku 20:55 27 seconds.
Oh, and then the number is 27821317 44358.
Kanti ke leyo number lo ke ayithola futhi ke leyo phone call ibiqhamuka kuleyo number 27821317044358.
You can see this is the same number because it's a call forward. So the phone was ringing, and then the tower put it back.
Umuntu uyakwazi ukuthi abone ukuthi iyo yona leya number ngoba phela ke ine call forward. Okusho ukuthi ke ubele kwefona efona ingaphendulwa bese ke iyase irecord ngaleyo ndlela i-cellphone tower.
At this stage he was at 3G Vietnam, Jane.
Kanti ke ngaleso sikhathi ke i-tower lesikhuluma ngayo bekuyi 3G Vietnam or Vietnam Sen.
Yes, and where is that?
And
It's also somewhere in Kimberley area.
ushuthi kungale ke ngase Kimberley.
Then the next entry,
Okunye kulandelayo okwafakwa
she received a SMS
wathola i-SMS
at 20:56:03, but there's no other party mentioned.
kanti ke lokho wakuthola ngaleso sikhathi 20:56:03 ukuthi wafonelwa ubani akuvelele.
She's still in the vicinity of Vietnam.
Ubese khona lapho Vietnam or Vietnam.
Sorry, for my understanding again, how is it possible that you can't trace the corresponding number at the same time? Where you receive the SMS?
Yes.
How is it possible? Can you explain?
How is it possible that I can trace that?
No.
Corresponding number.
You have traced the fact that she received
Yes.
an SMS,
Yes.
but you're not able to tell, at least for my understanding.
Yeah, that's true.
Now I want to know, how is that possible?
That's a good question, my lord. That sometimes it happens.
Okay.
It's just a default.
Okay.
Obviously, it shows half of the information. You will see they didn't even mention the handset number,
Yeah.
only the SIM card number.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kwesinye isikhathi kuyenzeka ke ukuthi kungaveli imininingwane ephelele njengoba lana kusho ukuthi wathola i-SMS kodwa ke akwaziwa ukuthi leyo SMS ibiqhamuka kuphi. Kuba nalawo maphuthanyana ne-IMEI number ayiveli.
It's also possible that the phone wasn't in the reception area. That can also.
Okuyakhonakala ukuthi lokho njani leyo cell phone number okanye leyo cell phone ibingatholakali usho ibingatholi isignal.
Then on the same day at 21:70 11 seconds, she make a call to number 2778188037.
Kanti ke ngalo usuku sikhuluma ke nge-2 zika August 2014 wase ke uthola ke wenza ke i-phone call ngaleso sikhathi 21:17 11 seconds enzela ke leyo number lo leyo number lo ethi 2778188037.
He was still in the vicinity of Witland.
Ube logo khona lapho Vietnam or.
And then the same day, the 2nd of August, at 22:14:49, he received a call from 277-818-80337.
Kanti ke ngalo lo suku nge-2 zika August 2014 wase uthola i-call ngaleso sikhathi 22:14:49 eqhamuka ku 277-818-80337.
And she's still in the vicinity of Vietnam.
Ulogo lapho ke Vietnam.
Then at 22:25:45, she sent the SMS to number 277-143-79551.
Wathumela i-SMS ke ngalo lolu suku nge-2 zika August 2014 isikhathi 22:25:45 seconds. Tumelela ke le number lena 277-143-79551.
277-143
143
Yeah. 795
7951, my lord.
No, that's 79551.
Yeah.
79551.
That's correct.
Correct.
Okay.
And then she was in the position of 3G Green Street. Sent.
Ngaleso sikhathi ke ube laphayana 3G Green Street Sen.
Then the same day at 22:40:23, she received a call from 27-8345-71330.
Kanti ke ngalo lolo suku ke wathola i-call ngo 22:40:23 seconds eyayiqhamuka ku 27-8345-71330.
And then she was in the vicinity of 3G Kimberley.
Kanti ke ngaleso sikhathi ke besendaweni ye okanye eduze ne cell phone tower leyo 3G Kimberley West Sen.
Then if we go to page 26,
Masiya ku page 26.
on the 2nd of August is 22:40:47.
Kanti ke nge-2 zika August 2014 22:40
She received from 277-3305-9202.
wathola ke i-call iqhamuka ku leyo number 277-3305-9202.
And she's still in the vicinity of Kimberley.
Usasekhona lapho endaweni yaseKimberley.
Then I moved to
Yes, and whose number is this?
suspect number 5.
Leyo number lo ke yomsola wesihlanu
When we move to the,
So this is basically the information as you've already referred to on
That's
page
correct.
23.
yes, yeah. And if I go to the bottom of page 26,
Uma siyake ekugcineni kwe-page 26.
because the other two is just call forwards.
Phela lezi ezinye zothu ama-call forwards kazange aphendule.
But then another call forward where they mention the Tower Petersburg. It's,
Kanti-ke kwakhona-ke enye i-call i-tower yakhona-ke engazange iphendule. I-tower yakhona ebethi Petersburg.
the time is 16:90:27 on the 15th of October.
Kanti isikhathi sithi 16:19:27 seconds. Bekunge 15 zika October 2014.
And the other party number is 278-213-170-44358. It's the same as the previous time. It's a missed call. It refers back.
Shuthi-ke lena bekuyi-miss call yase-ke iphindile emuva. Iyayiqhamuka kuleyo number-ke 2782-113-170-443-58.
Then the next one is at 17:53:16. It's a receive a call from 277-143-795-51.
Utholeke i-phone call October 2014 ngaleso sikhathi 17:33:57 seconds. Leyo phone call-ke yayiqhamuka kuleyo number lo 277-330-59202.
And I also just want to mention, we did mention it before, this is a different handset with the number 863-372-021-36721.
The one that we are reading is this one, not this one.
Yeah, it's this one.
It's this one. My apologies, Your Lordship. I actually read from a different column.
Yeah, the 733 is wrong.
I beg your pardon, my Lord.
The 733 you're quoting is incorrect.
It is incorrect,
So the
my
correct
Lord.
one is 8633-72021-36621.
376.
That's correct, my Lord. 863-372-021-37621.
Okay.
And the witness also indicated that that phone call was coming from that number.
Yes.
That it was 27-7143-79551. Shooting and gave 15 is October 2014. Watholake a phone call. Eyayiqhamuka kuleyo number esengiyishilo.
Yes.
Isikhathi bekuthi 17:33:16 seconds.
Then the next one,
Well, if we can just finalize this before we adjourn,
Oh,
just
yes,
the next 2 pages.
Okay.
Yes.
okay, thanks, my
Yes.
lord. The next entry is at 17:53:57. Receive a call from number 277-330-59202. It's the number of suspect 5.
Kanti-ke watholake enye phone call ngaleso sikhathi 17:33:57. I-call yayiqhamuka kuleyo number 277-330-59202. You said with suspect?
And whilst he was still in the tower reception area of Ivydale Farm.
Kanti-ke i-phone call yayiqhamuka-ke kulo msolo. Kanti-ke wayithola-ke ese-Ivydale Farm.
Sorry, and the date is the 15th of October. also.
That's correct,
Yes.
my lord.
So once again, is the information that you've already referred to on page 23.
That's correct, my lord.
Yes, and the duration of the call.
No, I didn't mention the duration of the call. The duration of the call is on the previous page. That's the one of the 98 seconds
Yes.
on page 23.
Yes.
Futhi lana angikhulumanga-ke isikhathi kanti-ke i-duration okanye isikhathi se-call i-level langale-ke 1898 seconds.
Yes, we proceed.
Okay, then the others is all undefined numbers, so I'm going to leave them out now.
Okay.
ezinye-ke ayicacile lokho-ke ngizokukhipha.
So God please, my Lord, may we adjourn at this stage.
Okay. What's the time now?
51, 53, 51.
Okay. There are no seconds this time. Okay, then we adjourn tomorrow. Will you be available at 10 a.m.?
That's correct, my lord.
Okay.